Is Turkey investable right now, though? You've got an inflation rate that's from a PPI point of view, that's off the Richter scale. You've got a president that seems to have a slightly different macroeconomic viewpoint from just about anybody else. Can you put money to work here?
I think so, but I think you have to have a relatively limited time horizon. So the opportunity in Turkey is to invest in a market that's pretty heavily oversold. So if you look at the currency, it's probably the cheapest of all of the EM currencies we look at, having collapsed this year from levels which weren't massively expensive. Interest rates have gone up a lot, so that the bond market just on a carry basis in the short term looks attractive. But as you said, inflation is coming through in a fairly ugly way, and it's not clear that long term that Turkey's willing to adopt some of the measures that they probably need to correct their imbalances.
Now, there is a risk of another round of sanctions. That's the problem with Turkey, John, right? I mean, we don't know yet. Maybe there will be more sanctions.
Well, I think they've given a gesture here. I mean, they've tried to save face by going through a judicial process, but the end result is Pastor Brunson is heading home. Trump's clearly happy with that. Turkey remains an important ally of the United States, not that necessarily all of Trump's policies reflect who are allies and who aren't. But I think it would be disappointing at this point if the US upped pressure. I mean, there are much more easy candidates to attack, like Russia and so on. I think Turkey's clearly trying to save face, but at the same time repair some of its damaged relationships with the US.